make the cookie 'cause it's good form. And when he eats the cookie, he got good form. He know I don't never
My loves, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell. In the description box of this video is my link tree, my Instagram pages. Don't forget to follow me. And let's get into this tutorial. Do you see these beats? So I've been trying to use more colors in my palettes, and this is actually a brand new palette. So I was super excited to use the Douce by Juvia's. So I'm gonna just point out the colors as I go because, you know, I don't know how to say that. So I'm just packing my color right into my outer crease and intensifying that as I go, well, to my desired consistency. And the second color, I'm just gonna overlay it. I'm not so focused on blending just yet, but packing on the color. And I always do go back with my previous shade just to avoid having some harsh lines. But I'm just moving on to the next color just so you see what I use. But always go back with your previous shade over it so you don't have any harsh lines and you blend seamlessly. So this shimmer was a little hard to use. I don't know why, if it was just me, but oh well. And I'm just adding some eyeliner. This is my favorite eyeliner by far. This is gel liner from Inglot. This is the Milk Primer. And I went over that with some Milk of Magnesia. This is why my face looked ashy. And Maybelline foundation in the shade 375. My concealer is LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toast. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, guys. Like I said, everything is linked in the bio of this video. My link tree with my store. You can book your makeup classes, and soon enough, everything else will be available online. You can do the online makeup course instead if you're not able to do a one-on-one. Blending concealer under the eyes can be a little troubling. I know a lot of people struggle with that. I get a lot of under eye creasing, so I have actually found a new trick that works with less creasing. So you always want to make sure your concealer is blended to the T before you set. And I do not bake. This is one thing that increases flashback. And I'm also just powder contouring my nose. I don't always cream contour, and if you cream contour, powdering to set it is always necessary, but I just powder contour. And just dabbing on that blush and blending it out with the same foundation brush that I used earlier. And I'm using the Morphe Setting Mist. And just a little bit of highlight. This look is very, very simple and it's beginner friendly, honestly. You just have to take your time. And this liquid lipstick is by Ruby Kisses, I believe. and I got it at my local beauty supply store. And just a pop of lip gloss on top, and boom, a look. So guys, this is my very simple, easy, beginner friendly look using the Douce by Julius, and I really liked this look in the end. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys in my next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe.